The workshop was built into two phases, basically. The first one focused on teaching the students a method of deep listening. We switched to teaching them how to record. So they train their ears, and now they can perhaps rethink their environment, and then we ask them, what is the typical sound of your neighborhood? What is for you maybe the sound identity of your neighborhood?
To see this involvement of youth and of young our students in political movement was amazing. It was very exciting, and we let this to happen, to reflect, to influence the workshop organically. And of course, many of students, they wanted to record the protest, the movement, the sound, the crowd. Pleasure to also see how the students, their transformation from these non-listeners to active listeners, and engaged and waiting for the moment to do meditation.